A Seek Reality online member asked, many spiritual texts say that God, or the source, is within us. But many who have had near-death experiences experience a source or God that is outside of them. How could we be one with God and have the feeling of God outside of us? In this video, I answer the reader's question. Hello, I'm Dr. R. Craig Hogan, President of the Afterlife Research and Education Institute and Seek Reality Online. How could we be one with the Source or God and still refer to the Source as outside of us? There is nothing but God. There is only our universal intelligence. We are manifestations of that source of all being. We're just taking on different roles to have our Earth School experiences. We are still wholly the mind of God. So God is more than within us. All we are is God. Having said that, we have individual experiences in the roles we play in Earth School, so we can learn lessons, grow in love and compassion, and enjoy life. We experience ourselves as separate from others, even though we are all one. The roles we learn from childhood in our self-absorbed society keep us from feeling the depths of love we could feel for one another. As a result, when in a near-death experience, we experience God's love without the limiting filter of the Earth School personality, it is overwhelming. We're experiencing the pure love we don't feel from others in our limited Earth School roles. People in near-death experiences who experience the love of God have the shroud of their Earth School role removed so they can experience the depths of the unconditional love that is at the core of our being as individuated members of the mind of God. That also shows us the magnitude of love we all could have for one another if humankind learned to relax the part of our roles that tells us we're separate from one another. We would then feel the genuine divine love for others and from others that would naturally envelop us. Our nature is to love. Only the mindset we learned as children that we are separate from one another keeps us from feeling that love from others and expressing the love to others all the time. In a near-death experience, that mindset is temporarily removed, so we feel the unconditional love of God we all could feel for one another if we lived knowing we are all one in the mind of God.